We've got our head here and lined out the eyelids and the eyebrows. So we're going to take this off in here and shave this down so our our eyebrows are going to stick out. So we're going to work on that. And we'll use our shaving tool to do that. So if you can see, we've got this shaved out up here. I'm going to take it down a little bit more so they pop a little more. So you can see the difference now on how this pops out. So we're going to do the same to the other side, then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any comments or questions or suggestions, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.